what tools and software will use kids in this course?
I'm going to use Ibis Paint X for this digital storytelling course, and there are lots and lots of tools in it, specifically lasso, which is specifically going to use an animation process, and there are brushes. We have there are lots of options of brushes are there, bucket, magic wands, selection. We have rulers there, which we are going to use for line art and refinement. I can explain you the modules of this chapter by showing you the app. This is the app we are going to use. So it looks like this. There's my gallery, collection, and online gallery. You can upload your work online. So we're just going to click this one. So in the first chapter, we are going to talk about the main features of this app, and the main thing is canvas. So if you see this plus sign, there are all canvas options available, and student can customize their own they can customize their own canvas by minimizing and maximizing the width and height of it, but there are also other options given. And this is for the digital drawing. These canvases are for the digital drawing, and these two canvases are for the animation, which we are going to cover in the 4th and 5th chapter. So starting from the simple canvas, I have, so this is the canvas actually. So you can zoom in with your fingers, zoom out with your fingers, and you can rotate it wherever you want. You can do it with your fingers. You don't have to rotate the whole screen, okay? Don't rotate the mobile, just use your fingers. And there are tools. These are all the tools available. Lasso, magic wand, transform. This is for transforming your canvas, and smudging, how you are going to blur your pictures, how you do the shadings. And over here we have stabilizers, the canvas options, rulers are there, and over here there are also main tools. This is the layering option, which we are going to cover in the 2nd chapter. Let me talk about the layers first. Okay, so in layers there are 2 types of layers. The first is the background layer, and the other one is your foreground layers. The difference is the background is the most basic one, in which there are less details, and all the layers above are your foreground layers. You can add as much layers as you can. Then if you don't want them, just delete them. Okay, then in the layer there's the concept of opacity. You see, if I lower the opacity, my layer seems like this. This tool, this feature is actually used to trace it out. Sorry, this is used for tracing. I'm going to go for 2nd layer, and I'm going to trace what I have drawn. See? Okay, so that's what the layer is about. In the 3rd chapter, we are going to talk about animations. What animation is actually? In animation, we have the concept of onion layering. What onion layering is, like, it is the semi-nature. If you have seen onion, it has the layers on it, okay? They are very transparent, translucent type. So there are the red and green frames, which gives you the chance to how to make or how to put your next frame more accurately. So the red one is your past frame, and the green one is your future frame. So I have drawn between the red and green, so it gives me more precise, and the more precise and the more, why is this? Okay, so I'm gonna, sorry if I
do
draw.
understand. Yeah.
Sorry.
Instagram page, there's no screen sharing option, so you have to go for this sort of arrangement.
Yeah. So this is how I draw. Then there's the option of to review it. If I play it, you are going to see what I drew. So this is how we are going to draw the animations. Now I'm going to show you the project, the mini project. The first project we are going to do is the bouncing ball. Okay, And the second one is the moving car. So yeah, these are the two basic projects in the chapter number 3 and the chapter number 4, which is about creating animations. Now moving to our last chapter, and the main project is transformation. So for transformation, we are going to do this. As it is the most final and the most artistic piece of this project. So before that, they are going to learn how we are going to draw, then how we are going to copy and paste the previous one, how to talk about the keyframes, because that's the amalgam of everything which we have learned in the previous chapters. And this is the final product you see.